Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Mayday. You got the equity markets falling lower. Now, we're not surprised. We've been warning of a sell-off in this sort for weeks now. We've had a bearish bias on the Morning Express. We've been talking about our major three-star support that's been there for weeks, 28.65 to 28.69. If we got below there, look for selling to accelerate, and that is exactly what we're seeing. Yesterday here, we talked about the Russell and the 200-day moving average. You don't want to see that get taken out. Well, it is taken out, and this is a catalyst in the lower prices. What do we got to look for now as support? We do have another major three-star level lower. It's on our Morning Express. Check it out. Ultimately, you got the 100-day moving average in the S&P as well that everybody knows is there, so look for that. But in the NASDAQ, you have some support around 7,200, but there is so much damage done on this chart right now. You really have to look towards a pocket of where the 200-day moving average is, 70.50 to 70.90. That's an area that this thing could be heading towards. So this, remember, is a lot of damage, and the technical damage will need to be repaired. But right now, lower prices are the only cure for that. So look for this to be heading lower here and trending lower on the day. And then you also have crude oil starting to move lower. We've been neutral crude oil for quite a while. We did introduce a slight bullish bias as long as it stayed above 74.40. Now we're below there. A lot of support down below 73 bucks. Check out our Morning Express. Now we've been talking about it that this hurricane premium shouldn't stay very long, because remember, when there is destruction and evacuation, unfortunately, you're not going to see the demand either. So if everybody's talking about the supply disruption, it's really about the demand disruption here in the near term. API inventories after the bell today. The one thing we're a little disappointed in, though, is gold not getting off of the floor. It's holding major three-star support. It's constructive. That's great. But with the dollar index lower, we'd like to see the gold respond a little bit better than this, as well as treasuries. We're not really seeing treasuries respond too. So they have a 3-year and a 10-year auction today at noon Central Time. We think by the end of the day, those treasuries will have responded, and you'll see those much higher. So keep an eye on that. But back to the gold, it's the Chinese yuan. It rallied 1% the dollar rallied 1% against the yuan on Monday as China devalued their currency. So the dollar remains strong against the yuan, the highest level since mid-August. But if that yuan can come off the lows, then you'll see gold start to respond and get back above 1,200. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board. 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.